This is for any possible debunking, saying that the magnets are just attracted to the core, that's why it's spinning. I'm going to prove that, and I'm going to give a couple demonstrations and explain how I think this is working and why it's good. Okay, so as you see, the core's in here and the magnet's not moving. It doesn't want it. It's attracted to it, but it ain't moving the rotor until I turn the power supply on. Ready? Boom. Now it moved it. Okay? Now it moved it. So it isn't just the metal that's making this move. Yeah, it's attracted to it. It's going to do a little bit, but it's not going to move until you juice it. Now I'm going to switch my power supply leads here. It's easier doing this than alligator clipping the windings. Okay. Now let me turn it on and get this core out of here. I'll explain the core in a minute. Now just to show you this again. Okay. This is the way it wants to induce with this line going up. It's fighting me the whole way. If I let it go, whoop, it goes back down. It doesn't want to go this way. With the direction of the current, it doesn't want to go up. Boom. But I want this to go up to induce with the current. But it doesn't want to go up. Boom, it goes back down. So let's look at the other way. The other way, whoop, goes right over. Whoop, goes right over. Even down here, whoop, goes right over. So it's not inducing that way. It's not going to help you. It's going to fight you every step of the way. Except, now remember, this goes up the way the current's going. So I'm going to put the core this way. Put the core in. Boom. It goes up with the current. That's no lens law from here to here as far as I'm concerned. Now, what I think is happening is that, hold up, before I get into my theory, I'm going to put it all the way down. When I put it all the way down, it doesn't do much. It does what it does any other time, which, it'll move a little bit to the bottom of the core, to the bottom of the coil. It'll be attracted to there, but it won't go anymore. It'll just give you that little bit. But without the core, it doesn't, it'll do the same thing. It'll just give you a little bit, which I don't think I'm ever going to get working. But with this halfway down, boom, we get what we want. Now, what I think is happening is, I think the inside of the coil is much stronger flux, much stronger magnetism inside the coil than outside, because it's being surrounded the entire way. So with this halfway down here, it's bringing this pole, which is opposite from this pole, down to the middle. So this magnet here is attracted to this pole and to this core. It's attracted to both. But which one does it want to go to? It's going to go to the stronger one. And which one's stronger? The stronger one is the one on the inside. So it's going to pull it past the attraction down here. So we're rerouting the flux from this side, the magnetism from this side, down into the middle where it's amplifying. And that is overpowering the magnetism from here. So that is my theory on how it works. Now, if I move this, I don't have the power supply on now. If I move this up more, keep going up with this, the rotor will kick even further up to here. It'll do like, almost a full 90 degrees. But the problem is, it's real weak, because now you're separating that magnetism, and this magnet being attracted to that pole way the hell up here is far. Down here, it's real short and quick and a nice jerk. So I think this is very, very good.